When you come here, what you quickly realize is that there are many shortcuts that are possible within treating hair disorders. There's areas where you can take those shortcuts, and we tend to just systematically take those out. What you find and what we found over time is that the quality of what's produced is best when you don't take those shortcuts. I think a lot of people make the mistake when it comes to a transplant of saying, this is just a procedure, I'll get it done, and what happens, happens. But what they forget is, one, that there's a reason that they wanted to get this in the first place. There's a difficulty that they'd seen. So the appearance of what happens matters a lot to them. Hair transplantation is not something that you can go back and redesign if you get it wrong. It's a permanent procedure. So if you do it wrong, you end up living with that. And it's not just about getting it right on the day, although there's a huge component of that. So we put a huge amount of effort into the design of the transplant. There's a large staff involved in delivering that. We look at things in precise details, and that takes time and effort. It's good for people to not see this as a single procedure that you get done at one particular time point. There's a journey that goes with it, and there's a huge number of components that you can take shortcuts on, which result in a lower quality surgery. Ultimately, hair transplantation is about getting as good a quality procedure as you can have done, because this is going to last you for decades.